Hi, it's Simon at Zone CCTV and Burglar Alarms. Here's just a short video to show how we've recently upgraded the security of this property in Leeds. We've upgraded the cameras, the alarm systems, the doors, the PIR sensors, upgraded to the CCTV monitoring, and this is just a video just to show you a few of the upgrades that we've done. So these are the new LiveGuard turret cameras. These are the Generation 3 models. So they've got improved microphones, human detection, colour picture at night time, higher frame rates, and they provide a fixed picture, so they're recording at about 90 degrees all of the time. But also to complement the turret cameras, we've also put these large PTZ cameras. So these ones have actually 3 cameras in one. At the top, there are 2 cameras which produce a 180-degree lens, and that's continually assessing the area. If there's a person within a predefined area, it will send a notification to the customer, but underneath there's a PTZ camera with an inbuilt strobe light and speaker as well. So as you move around, the camera will follow you and it's flashing at you. So this certainly puts a potential intruder know that they are on notice. The cameras are live, they're working, they've been detected, they're actively being followed around the property. We just want to deter them, certainly at the front of the property. So these are your external PIR sensors. These are dotted around the property and also in the garden. They've got a dual beam, so it means both beams have to be triggered in order to trigger the alarm system, which goes up to the monitoring station. This is to reduce the number of false alarms. So a fox would be able to walk underneath the sensor and not trigger it. But a human being, if you walk past it, is going to trigger both of the beams coming out. And then again, you're going to have far fewer false notifications, but the customer knows that anyone walking around the perimeter of the property is going to be notified immediately, but also the sirens are going to be going off as well, which is a great deterrent because they're just going to run. We also upgraded all the door locks to your 3-star anti-snap cylinders as well. Just means then if you've got a pair of pliers, they can't snap it and gain access to the property. This is just essential with all properties, and it's a service that we can provide. So if you are unsure about your door locks, give us a shout, we can help you. Along with static IP LiveGuard cameras around the property, we also installed a PTZ around the back. The optical zoom on the camera works really well, especially when you can see the logo on the top of my shirt. At night time, all the cameras will produce a great colour picture. This house is also linked up to a 24-hour remote monitoring station. The customer can simply arm and disarm the monitoring from their mobile phones. Once armed, the operators are notified and they can view the cameras in real time. If required, they can make announcements via the loud tannoy speakers, ring the customers' contacts and also the police if necessary. This is great peace of mind. It's like having your own personal security guard watching out for you. Thank you for watching this video. We are going to be filming plenty more. Remember to like and subscribe.